So I want to make this quick video so you guys don't go around with the wires. If your radio turns off out of the blue, here's the list. So everything with the ACC means accessories, green, right? So the first thing you check is radio. Radio's off. Second is AC. Does it turn on? This thing broke. I gotta fix it later. Next thing is the washers. Doesn't work, you see? Okay, so now we're not assuming it's a wire problem. It could. Now we're gonna go check the fuse fin. Okay, so we're gonna turn off the truck. There's a light there that I fixed. You gotta take all this thing out, and I made a hole in the red stuff so it'd be clear. Here's the fuse. You see that right here is the 10, just this one. Check the fuse, looks good. You see that? Okay. So the following step will be the relay. Here's the AC fit. Here's the relay. That's like the main. This one sends energy to this one. So we're gonna go to the relay. This relay is a 70 amp. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a 70 amp relay. So the other one that looks like this one, this is just for test for now, is the ignition one. Ignition, the main one. So what you do is, the truck won't turn on if you take this off, but you can turn the ignition. You put it in the ignition, you test it, and now let's see. The radio turn on and the AC works. You see that? Okay, now that you know it's a problem with the relay, I went to the dealer and they don't, and the only thing they have is an 80 amp. It's no big difference, but here's the part number. Here's the part. Chips. There it goes, an 80 amp ignition relay. So what you do is you put the main one back, which is this one. This one is doesn't even show. What is a 40 amp? It's a 70 amps. Okay, all right. So what you do is you put back the other one, you put the new one back, and you should be good to go. The radio, the AC works. You see that? Everything works, and that's how you do your troubleshooting with this list. All of these are connected. So we checked the AC, the radio, not like the wipers. Forgot to put the wipers on it. You see that? Now it works. Okay, cool.